तस्मादुत्तम आचार्ये लब्धे नातो वरं व्रजेत् एकस्य शिष्यतां प्राप्य तदाज्ञां न विनाशनम् अवरं वा व्रजेदुच्च गुणश्चेन्नैव दुष्यति. This shloka from Tantrasara and some similar shlokas of Anuvyakhana Brahmasutra Bhashya of Acharya Madhva give an opinion that if you have a best mentor, go not to an inferior one. Sometimes, with the prior permission of a present mentor, you can go to his equals or inferior ones. But no permission is required when you are preferring a better mentor to the present one. Viparyayastu kartavyah sarvata shubhamichhata. If you want to gain a perfect knowledge and liberation from the world, it's not sinful to ditch a present guru and approach a best guru, as the Anuvyakhana says it. The same is reflected in Brahmasutra Bhashya also. Purvasmad uttaro labdhaha swayameva gururyati granhiyad avicharena. If you find a best mentor, with no hesitation, ditch the present one. The Shanti Parva of Mahabharata says, Purusho jahyat apravaktaram acharyam anadhiyanam mritvijam. The following two persons should be rejected as a broken ferry is rejected as it is no longer useful for a sail. The first one is a teacher who cannot or would not like to teach his students or disciples. The second one is a priest who is not a well-read one. Nahi jnanena sadrusham pavitram iha vidyate. Nothing is more sacred than the knowledge. The priority is given to the knowledge in the scriptures. So, the one who gives a perfect, pure knowledge is an acceptable mentor. This one is a simple message to all the students who want to get the knowledge.